You didn't deserve
And
that,
I was
but it
watching
happened.
most of the time during the actual, like when it actually happened live. I was watching Towa Senpai most of the time. It was funny to hear you cursing all the time.
I didn't mean to.
You
It's
made
just
a
every
good
time they tuned in,
impression.
I was.
いやマジで早い。
去年より早くなってるんじゃないかやっぱ皆さん。
早い。
さあ、カリオペさんよ。もうリアクション面白すぎる。BEGM ってミオさんですか？
カリおもろすぎるだろ。
多分リアクション見られてるとは多分知らないからね。
今映ってるかどうかみんな分かって
みん
ないから。
な分かってないと思うんでね。
カリは結構この多分おすすめされてる車で乗ってるかもしれないけど結構重そうに見えるけど。
うん、そうですね。
あそこ使わないんだ。
誰も使わないかな。
めちゃめちゃ怒ってるよ。
口が上品ではござらない瞬間を見てしまいました。
カリちゃん。
まあ通常運転でございますね。はい。
あ、カリ4位やん。
カリオペさん上がってきているの。
怒ってる。カリ頑張れ。
あ、見えない。前が見えない。なんかもうどうしてもカリオペさん抜くと悪口になっちゃってね。綺麗な覇気が聞けましたけど。
No, those were the only times I really cursed. Every time they tuned in was a bad time.
Only at exactly those times they were putting you on the screen, and every time when you were not on the screen, you were a good say-so idol, right?
I would say normal things instead of curse words. Listen.
Don't worry, if I was streaming, I would have been cursing and crying a lot myself. So if I was streaming at that moment, I would have flipped so hard.
That's true. I
It's
guess that's true enough.
It's very understandable. And I think it just sounds more shocking to loudly yell in English, "Fuck! You bitches!" But like in Japanese, I think it sounds a little bit more softer when they curse. They curse as well. They do it too.
Ah, yeah, they'll say like "jikusho" and like "so" and like "mukatsuku nanchara kanchara." Yeah.
Ora, 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 ora.
Ora, 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 ora. Omae.
Omae! Omae!
Omae.
Shuba, 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 shuba. Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah. So